So we are starting out on the Sheltoe Trace. You can take this all the way to Cumberland Falls, which would be 21 miles from here if you wanted to backpack that. So we are still on the fence about whether or not we want to camp down here. It was pretty busy. We just didn't want noisy neighbors tonight. We like solitude. But there is an awesome camp spot right down here with this beautiful hemlock forest setting. These hemlocks are amazing. And there's a nice fire ring. Streams right here. Not busy right here. Tim eats a lot. What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, this would be an excellent spot. So I think we check out the rest of the trail and come back and get our stuff and
maybe set up if it's not taken.
Yeah.
So we probably should have just went for it earlier.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Found a good trekking pole?
Yes.
How's that working out for you?
Good. So it's wood brand.
Uh-huh.
And it's a very reliable brand. It's been around for ages, really, as long as I can remember.
So this trail is gorgeous. It is really beautiful down here in this ravine, and you can kind of feel the temperature drop when you first come down because the rhododendrons and the hemlock trees need a special environment to grow in, a cool, moist environment. Mm-hmm. And there are all the right conditions for this here. It is really, really beautiful down here. Wow.
How are you liking the walk so far?
I love it. It's gorgeous.
Yeah,
what do
me
you
too.
think?
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Yeah, it's this. I love this setting, and the gorge is getting a lot deeper, so we're getting close to the big waterfall, I think.
I think we are.
Yes! There's a fire pit up here. Apparently you can camp up here, and it's full of litter. So again, take out what you bring in. Leave no trace. This is very sad. So I would say, I know I talked about this being on the moderate side. I almost would say that it's on the easy side up until you start getting to that little loop to the Van Hook Falls area. Then it's definitely a lot of roots and slick rocks and some scrambling, as you can see here. Pretty amazing area. And there was that little rope drop. So if you're not comfortable with that, maybe you don't want to go all the way to the end. But other than that, it's a beautiful hike even if you don't go all the way. How are you liking it?
Loving it. Beautiful.
Yep. Van Hook Falls. Pretty awesome.
I'm here a little closer to the falls. Check it out.
So we picked up these 60-second bowls here at Kroger. It comes in a pouch. It's from Simple Truth, which you can get at Kroger. Chipotle pepper. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
And they have different flavors, so different packets, different varieties. And this is tomato, black beans, and corn, 18 grams plant protein. And the ingredients are all pretty good here. No added sugar, which is something I watch, that I buy items that don't have any added sugar. So this is actually pretty tasty. First time I ever had it. We brought this onto this hike. Kind of tastes like it has little sausage pieces, even though it's not. It's all plant-based, and it's got beans and corn. And is that rice? Yeah, that's rice. So you should check these out for a quick on-the-go meal. You don't need to warm it up. It's still tasty, just like that.
So we made it back to the parking lot, and
Yep.
After a long, grueling hike, but it was beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Challenging, but we loved it. The falls were excellent, and there was plenty of things to see along the way.
Definitely. We would like to backpack it on a less busy day.
Yeah.
Perhaps when it's colder outside.
Yeah.
So,
We're sweating pretty bad.
yeah, and it was very busy, and we like solitude when we're staying overnight, you know.
Yeah.
There would have been like 100 people walking out right past the campsites, so I suppose you could always bushwhack and make a campsite, but we don't typically like to do that.
Yeah.
We like to use established sites when we can.
Yes. Yeah.
So yeah, great hike, highly recommend. Thank you for watching.
Until next time.